So I just got my new Funbox in. I get this once a month. It comes out to about $24 a month. So I thought I'd open it up and just see what I get today. So, dropped that pretty good this month. First thing I'm seeing, Ethic Clothing. There it is. Looks like a sticker. Yeah, it looks like a few stickers or cards. There's a couple more in the back. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, skate wax. I don't use wax that much, but this is cool packaging though. I'm just afraid to like almost eat it, like this is just dark. Square leather laces. Nice. Hopefully these last up a little bit longer than like the usual. Cause I go through about like a pair like every couple days. More stickers. Mates brand, I've never heard of that. Survey wheels, I think I've heard of once, but it's just been a minute. Crooked coin pouch. Nice. More stickers. Crooked. Survey, yeah, survey wheels patch. And then last thing in the box, looks like a beanie. It doesn't get too cold in SoCal, but like at night, it's like, this will actually come in pretty handy. So all in all, I mean, it's $24 a month. You're not expecting like everything, but it's pretty much worth it. So thanks for checking out this video. I'll have more videos up as time goes on. It just depends. But thank you guys, and hopefully you'll subscribe to my channel.